And this question says that Ella has $200 and £800. Okay, now her hotel bill is $600, but then she pays the bill with $200 and some of the pounds. Use a conversion graph to work out how many pounds she has left. Okay, now for certain we know she had $200. Okay, $200 and then £800. Now in that from that 200, or okay, yeah, with the $200 she paid she paid part of her hotel bill, which is $600. Okay, so the remaining amount in dollars that she's supposed to pay will be remaining bill in dollars will be 600 minus 200, and that's $400. Now what are we going to do? We're going to find the equivalent of this $400 on the graph. Okay, so we'll just go to the before we do that, now remember that this is $400. Okay, but we don't have 400 on the y-axis. Okay, so what we're going to do is I will find a unit, okay, with which we're going to multiply all the values here. Okay, and every unit here will just be multiplied by that value we're multiplying with, a constant value. So basically, if we use 20 to multiply, if we use 10, it's going to be 180. That will be the highest, which is still less than $400. If we use 20, it's going to be 360. So let's use 30. So let's multiply all the terms by 30 here. Okay, now for this too, let's do the same thing to the x-axis. Let's multiply all the terms by 30. Okay, so for any value we get on this axis, multiply by 30. So actually we'll need to find out where $400 is going to lie right now. Okay, now you have here 12 and you have 14. 12 times 30 is going to be 360, so this is going to be 360, and then 14 times 30 will be 420. Okay, so you have 420 here. Now before we had each 5 units to represent okay, let's have, this is 1, no, this is 0.51, 1.52. No, actually let's have 0.4. You have one line actually to represent 0.4. You have 0.4, 0.8, 1.2, 1.6, then 2. Yeah, correct. Now since each one actually represented 0.4, we're going to multiply by 30. We're going to multiply by 30. You have 12. So in between now you have each line to represent 12 instead of 0.4. Yeah, now for this, now we have this to be our 360. 360 plus 12 is going to give you 372. So you have plus 12 again, 372 plus 12, you have 384. Then plus another 12, you have 396. Then plus 12, you're going to have 408. Now the first 12 is 360, then this one is going to be 372, then this one is going to be 384, and this one is going to be 396. Then this one would then be 408. So approximately this. So let's just take this line, okay, and trace it to this point. Find out where it meets the graph. Okay, that's this particular line. We took it and traced it to this point, then traced it down to find the corresponding value on the x-axis. Okay, now we have this here. Remember that each axis is multiplied by 30, but before we had 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.81. Okay, we had each line to represent 0.2 before, so instead of representing 0.2, it's going to be 0.2 by 30, okay, which is going to be 3 times 2 is 6. It's going to be 6. Okay, now we have this to be 30 times 8 is 240. Okay, then you have 1, 2, 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Plus 18, you have 258. Okay, so the value in pounds is going to be about 258 pounds. Now, having that value as 258 pounds, we just say, okay, he had 800. He used 258 pounds to pay for his hotel. Now the remaining, or what she has left there, the remaining money would then be 800 pounds minus 258 pounds. 10 minus 2 is going to give 10 minus 8 rather is going to give you 2. 9 minus 5 is going to give you 4, and then you have 7 minus 2 will give you 5. So you have 542 pounds. Now this is going to be a bit approximate depending on how accurate you were in the graph. Okay, yeah, it's going to be a bit approximate, but you'd have around about the same range. So this is how you calculate for this kind of question.